Hey guys, it's Courtney. So we're going to be doing my 2019 vision board today. I know this is coming a little bit late, but I wasn't going to do one, and then I saw a bunch of people doing them, and I just think it's a great idea. So instead of doing like a traditional actual board, I am going against my closet door. So for reference, where you guys are is basically where my makeup stand is, where I do my makeup every day. So I'm in here every single day, and I do my workouts in here every day. So I would see this multiple times, and I feel like this would be a good spot for me versus like putting it in our bedroom. Plus it's more for me than for Zach anyway. Um, so I just used some washi tape that says life is wonderful, life is beautiful, life is good, that I picked up. I honestly think at the dollar store. I'm not really sure. And just, made out a square. I know it's not, the lines aren't straight, and that's probably going to bug some people. I know the side's a little bit off, but I made this box last night really late. And then at the bottom, there's a picture of me, my sister, and my dad that my mom took. And then she wrote, even when life is out of focus, we always have each other, because the picture is out of focus. She's so clever. And this is like in my hometown, so it has like good memories, good things, and like why I'm working so hard, like for me, for my family, for our life. So that is starting it off, and then I did print out a bunch of things from the interwebs, pictures, quotes, that kind of stuff, and then we're gonna cut them out and put them up here. So let's do it. So like I said, I just did like a Google search for different things. Like I have one for wedding planning, I have like a workout one, I have a diamond for getting to be a diamond coach, to be the best version of you, no more desk job, to get my Instagram back in order, just like a whole bunch of them. And so I'm going to cut these out and we're going to go from there. Okay, so now that I have all my little things cut out, and I might add more, like, as I go, I haven't really decided. I'm going to use the very sophisticated method of Scotch tape and throw some on the floor and put these up. So let's fast forward through that here real quick. So from what I was kind of reading online is that normally people do like a central quote and then sort of build around that. So for this year, it's going to be for me, it's going to be the best version of you. And I'm going to stick it close as to the middle as I can get and go from there. So, yeah, let's do it. Do it. Okay, so this is where we are right now. As you can see, I do have a little bit of space, so I might print out another quote, or I don't really know. So I'm going to zoom in just slightly, and we're going to talk about what's on there. So starting at the top, okay, so starting at the top on your, I don't know, left side. So there's like a picture of pictures, and basically the goal for this year is to take more pictures, like make more memories. like go more places. Like Zach and I are very much homebodies, so we don't go out very often, and like I think we should go out, explore. Down from that is a scrapbook that says our travel adventures, so that kind of goes hand in hand. And it's also a reminder for me to finish all the scrapbooks I have started, because I have a bunch started that I didn't finish. Underneath that, it says blah, 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 go work out, because there's no excuse to not work out for me. Jumping back to the top, there's that diamond, like I was talking about, to become a diamond coach this year. That is my big goal. Again, the be the best version of you quote. This little sticker says today's a good day, just as a reminder to look for the good in every day. I just thought it kind of went with the theme. Underneath is a YouTube play button. I don't necessarily want to get to a play button status, but I do want to hit 1,000 or more subscribers this year, so I'm working towards that. So right underneath the quote is a YouTube play button, which not necessarily, I'm not aiming towards getting like 100,000 subscribers to get my YouTube play button, but I want to get to over 1,000 this year, so that's my goal. These two down here are stickers. This one says make it happen, and this one says you got this, girl, with a lipstick. I just thought it was cute. Jumping back to the top, which I know it's kind of hard to see because of the light. This is a wedding planning binder, which I have one just like it in our bedroom. As a reminder for wedding planning, that I want to get, what I want to get accomplished this year. My no more desk job little paper. This is a heart full of food, just as a reminder to, like, as women, I feel like we have a lot of food guilt, and we spend a lot of time obsessing about what we're eating and stuff like that, so I just want to remember to love food again. Again, like my Instagram feed, I want to work on that. This says, I'm tired, I'm too cold, I'm too hot, it's raining, it's too late, and then at the bottom it says, let's go. So everything else is crossed out because there's no excuse. And then this very last one over here says, I'm a writer, and they're like writing. And if you guys saw my 2018 New Year's tag, I am still working on my book that I was writing last year. I'm still working on it, so I definitely do want to finish it this year. And that is on here as a reminder to daily at least write something. So that is it for the moment. I can update you guys if I do add something to that spot before I post this video. I'll update it in here, but for right now, that's how we're looking. Also, I'm just like in pajamas, so that's why I wasn't really like in here at all. But I love you guys so much. Let me know what your goals are for 2019, and if you did a vision board, I'd love to see it. DM me on Instagram, Twitter, that's all linked down below. I'd love to talk about your goals, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, all the good stuff. It's all down below. And subscribe if you want to see more content. I love you like I already said, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, everybody.